So NQ, same as the ES actually. We've got this low in here, which I think is the A wave, and therefore we should be in the B back. I'm looking for a move up to 75.38 in the B wave. So we're in the early stages of that. We've taken out this high here, a little higher in NQ, and we've got confirmation that we've got the low in for this part of the move. Let's just come up the time frames. So what we're looking for overall, same as we went through yesterday, 5 down to here for this A wave. I'm looking for this B back, and then the C down to the 67.17 before we start the 3 in a much larger diagonal, and then that diagonal is here. So that's the bottom of that A wave there yesterday, I think. B up, C down, then we get the 3, 4, 5 in NQ. YM I haven't done this morning. Go look at the Dow Jones charts on the site. I haven't got the longer term YM charts up to date yet, which I'll get done during today so I can resume doing them this morning. I've got everything thrown out of kilter on me earlier this week with this drop being deeper than we thought, Yogan. So YM, I realise I'm woefully neglectful on YM, and the main reason is it's the one that I simply never day trade. If you're going to day trade, ES is the primary, NQ is the secondary, and YM I just don't do it. But I will get those charts up to date by Monday so we can add them back in. Let's have a quick look at it in terms of, yeah, you see it's all over the show. We may have the same pattern here. So you've got a low in yesterday with a fairly sharp move off. You need a move over 25,680 to begin to confirm that we're in the next thing up. Yeah, it's okay. I will have it back by Monday. It's just that I had to redo on all of this on all of the index charts, and it took forever to get them to a level that I was comfortable with. Okay, that's it from the pre-market. I'll be back just before the